Okay, the time and date on this recording are accurate. I checked them about 5 a.m. this morning. We awoke to power going out, then heard extreme noises and took cover in a central bathroom. And a few seconds after all that began, we started to notice water rushing in to the house. We have two primary locations of damage, maybe more under there. I have confirmed that there is at least one broken rafter under that large tree. As you can see, we got a lot of buckled shingles and a bunch of lost shingles. Note how high the debris was blown up onto the house. The primary damage appears to have been done by the top of that tree right there being twisted off by the wind and then landing on the house. The back fence was also blown in. See other damage to structures nearby. These shingles are actually not my shingles. My shingles are in my front yard. I don't know where these came from. So you get a better look at the extensiveness of the damage from this angle. This is the other side. The thing that especially concerns me is this appears to be the other half of the tree that fell on top of the roof, which means it may have hit the apex of the roof and then split into two pieces and caused more structural damage than I can see at this time. See the gutters separated. Take a better look at the debris. As you can see, I'm not the only one affected. These out here appear to be fragments from my roof. Okay, we're up on the roof now. Obviously, we've taken a lot of water up here through the damage that we've had to the roof. I don't know how well in the video you can see that this actually is broken. I have light coming in several places. I'm sort of using the camera here to look at stuff I hadn't had a chance to see yet. Determine. So we got penetrations in several places, it appears. Two. No, that's the same one. Okay. looking at how bowed in this appears, I'm starting to feel not quite safe back here, so I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video. I hope I've captured enough information. See some of the other damage that happened as a result of the storm. That is how close it came to busting a gas line. I don't know if you can see in this frame, but there is light streaming in above the top edge of that planking that's been knocked in by an impact. I think that this one joist, or rafter, is the only one we got that's actually broken. There's some water damage. A sign. We've actually got interior signs of leaking under this whole area here, and mess. Here's where we stand on water damage. This is the kids' play set out here that took an impact.